guys, since the rain is over, now we can finally get ready because now there's going to be parked cars everywhere, all getting ready to start getting ready for the event. We're going to meet the trucks, the lineup. Here we go. All right, just walking in right now. As you can tell here, look at the track. We're having a show coming up. Can't wait. Go to the pit party. We're going to see some trucks. All right, guys, the first driver here with the big truck, the first monster truck that started off with Mike, the driver of Bigfoot. Can you go for the win tonight?
We're definitely going to try. You know, that's what we're here for, is to bring home #1.
All right, Mike, good luck out there, man.
All right, thank you. Enjoy the show.
Thanks, man. All right, I'm standing right here with John Loris, the driver of Wicked. So, John Loris, I got a question. Do you think you got that eyes to win here at Bakersfield tonight?
Oh yeah, man. Of course I'm going to win. I wouldn't come out here without planning to win in the first place. This thing freaking moves. Goes over 70 miles an hour, about 5 seconds, so everybody better be watching out.
Yeah,
for you.
I see. And also, I like the truck, the design. What's the inspiration to do Wicked?
Well, it's actually my father-in-law's design. It was actually yellow last year, but we added some of these, you know, shark teeth and stuff like that. Kids like that a lot more. It's a 32 Studebaker front, and actually the back half is Spider-Man from Monster Jam. So,
oh wow,
yeah, we kind of put them together, but it's made our own thing. So it's pretty. We enjoy it. It's a nice truck. Everybody likes it.
I see. All right, man. Good luck out there.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, guys. I'm here with the Kamikaze truck with Paul. First of all, Paul, I like the design of Kamikaze. It's really amazing. And also, my question is this: do you think that these guys are tough competitors out there? You got the here at Bakersfield?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I mean, my dad drives the Dragon Slayer. My brother-in-law is driving Wicked. My brother's driving Vendetta. So we're gonna have definitely have a family feud out here on the course because not one of us likes to lose. So we're gonna lay it all on the line and see who comes out the champion today. Yeah,
nobody came here to lose, man. So you sure you know what you're saying? That's the question because you never know. These guys, it can happen.
Yeah, you never know. Anybody that's here can win. Bigfoot's also here. You know, they obviously have state-of-the-art equipment as well. But, you know, I'm just going to try and get these guys ahead before we go out there and race so they mess up the corner and I come out on top.
All right, Paul, congratulations, man. Good luck out there. All right, guys, right now this is the exciting day for me because today I finally get to see Craig Christian for the first time since 2011. First of all, Craig, I miss you as a Monster Jam fan and I miss seeing you performing, man. But it's great to see you. You know, I'm glad you're still in the league, but in a different way. And my first question is this. Back in 2004, I saw this as a kid when you were facing with Rick Watson Obsession during the Anaheim. How did you lose and what happened, man, when you almost crashed?
Crap, you're making me think way back.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry, man. It was back in 2004 when you were facing him in the finals when what happened was Rick won the race, but when you accidentally hit the wall.
Oh, yeah. What happened is that we had too much ground speed, and when we you know, aired out over the last jump, hit the brakes, and brakes don't work real well when they're in the air. So it just slid all the way down and hit the wall, and I actually broke my collarbone. Hit the wall hard enough, it shoved me through the belt, and it broke my collarbone on that race.
Wow, that was a nasty hit, man. Hey, but at least you got it repaired. Otherwise, it could have been worse, man.
Oh yeah, oh absolutely.
Yeah, I seen injuries. All right, Craig, good luck out there, man.
All right, thank you.
Hey, great to see you, man.
Good to see you.
All right, guys, I'm here with Mike, the driver of Vendetta. So, Mike, I got two questions. First question: can you go for the win tonight, my friend?
I mean, everybody can pretty much go for the win. We got a good set of trucks here. Got my dad in Dragon Slayer, got my brother in Kamikaze, got my brother-in-law in Wicked, and then myself in Vendetta. So it's kind of a family affair. I just hope that one of us can just put a whooping on the good old Bigfoot Ford over there and come home with a win.
Yeah, and also my other question is, are you sure you know what you're talking about, man? Because remember, things can happen, man. You don't want that loss. That's what you don't want.
Yeah, things can happen. I mean, just at the last minute, certain bugs or fatigues can happen on the trucks. Drivers, I mean, heck, I could go out there and make an error. So things could happen. So it could be interesting, and hopefully someone will be crowned victorious, and there's not a whole lot of damage.
Hey, there he goes. Remember, guys, Mike knows what he's saying, so we'll see about that. All right, Mike.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Have fun.
Alright guys, right now the show's getting ready to start. There's some flying napkins everywhere. I'm just using my phone. I'm on my Instagram right now. If you guys want to give me a shout out, link is down in the description down below. Yeah, if you guys would have seen it earlier, someone just flew a napkin. They got a napkin. Oh, there's a napkin. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, there's the napkin.
County Raceway Golden Empire Supermoto heat races continuing before our opening ceremonies for the all. Battle for the lead to the front goes the two-stroke Banshee. I love the sound of those twin-cylinder two-stroke quads.
Yeah, Taylor won these all by himself. Oh wow.
Easy on that throttle, especially right here, and then set yourself up and over the K-rail jump. Into the right hand, sliding out, picking that left front tire up off the ground. There's a complete leader into the left hander now. On the gas and sliding, white flag is in the air. Anthony Martinez runs in second.
First time in Bakerfield, piloting the Wicked truck, side-by-side J-Hook Monster Race. A cool course because you're going asphalt to dirt, right?
Yeah, I'm not really experienced on the whole asphalt thing, so it's been kind of a little bit, it's a learning curve, but I talked to my boss over here.
Only 13 points for a round one loss. So they will start on the front straightaway of the quarter mile and the back straightaway of the quarter mile. They will meet.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are about to feel the earth tremble beneath your feet. You are about to see 10,000 pounds flying through the air. You are about to hear 1,500 horsepower being unleashed. For your safety and comfort, ear protection is available now at the merchandise stand. And now, brace yourselves, as it's time to meet the All-Star Monster Trucks.
First up is going to be Michael. We'll have our professional judge up in the tower and our fan judge. The Red Line Oil Bandana, the 1951 pickup. Make some noise and get those checkered flags in the air, ladies and gentlemen. What do you want to see? You want to see some massive air? You want to see a slap wheelie? Well, we're going to find out right now. First up, Michael Christensen and Vendetta. Right across Raymond's Trophy Victory Lane. The rear tires. Just a little bit to the left-hand side. Trying to pop that Vendetta up in the air, land on the rear tires and roll it out. Let's see what he does. Remember, they can see those checkered flags in the grandstands, ladies and gentlemen. One more time. Michael Christensen. Straight up and straight down. A little shaky on those first two.
So se quiere slap it. Is it Wallace? So se quiere todo, sí.
Wicked is rolling, ladies and gentlemen. Out of Salt Lake City, John Morris. He's going to go for it right now, right? And up in a big air. Almost had that slap wheelie rolling as well. Coming off the North End jump. Get those checkered flags rolling. And we'll go down trackside. Foot. Remember, the more noise you make, the more they see those checkered flags flying, that's when they get big and go for their best trick. Bigfoot is up next. He is fired and rolling. What do you say, Kern County Raceway? Coming right to the big air jump right here. This is going to toss him way up in the air. Beautiful slap wheelie after the big high jump. Oh boy, he's got one more shot. Let's see what Bigfoot can do here. Slap wheelie. For Bigfoot, ladies and gentlemen, let's go down trackside and chuck in our fan score. Wheel. All over the world, national television. He's the boss, ladies and gentlemen, and Dragon Slayer, Craig Christensen. Lights off in green. He's gonna take us out just a bit and split those jumps. You'll see those jumps coming in. He's gonna come back around. Cross Raymond's Trophy Victory Lane. He's going to take the long way around. Get those checkered flags out and wave it, ladies and gentlemen. What do you want to see from the boss, Craig Christensen? Out of the Dragon Slayer. Chuck. We went ahead with it. The final competitor in Best Trick, he's going to have to lay down a big one to beat the legendary Bigfoot. Lonely, what do you think it's going to take to score that 9 or 10 here today? It's hard to get a perfect score.
You're going to need a huge air. No one's attacked the donuts yet. You're going to need huge air, huge wheelies.
Here we go. Paul Jensen and Kamikaze take his time looking over the course. That Raptor. Beautiful looking truck. Gonna take a left-hand turn. You've got County Raceway right in front of you. what Jensen's going to do next. Don't know if he's doing enough, Chuck. Here we go. In the air, now they go to a slap wheelie up in the air. For Jensen Kamikaze. Don't know if he's getting enough to dethrone the king, Bigfoot. What do we got downstairs from our fan score?
We got a 5 for Paul Jensen. They love the big air. We got a 5. Perfect score from your fans.
Up here in the tower, our professional judge with a...
No, what do we got?
We have got to do a cheer off. That means whoever makes the most noise for each driver, that will determine who the winner is in Best Trick. Are you ready, race fans?
Yeah.
All right. Who thinks Paul Jensen and Kamikaze won the Best Trick? Chuck, I'm going to need your help on this one. Now, who thinks the legendary Bigfoot won the Best Trick?
I think it's Mike Miller, Bigfoot. We got a lot of Bigfoot fans.
Congratulations to Bigfoot and Mike Miller win the Best Trick competition. Wait, Chuck.
And we'll welcome him into victory lane. Mike Miller, this is yours. You are our Best Trick winner. Those slap wheelies were paying off.
Oh, absolutely. You know, that's one of the oldest chassis that Bigfoot has in competition. It's got real short shocks on the front, make it real perfect for doing those slap wheelies. And as soon as they told us that anything was fair game for wheelies, I knew that jammer truck's the first thing I was going to go to, get the bounce off fit, and carry it out across there.
So you win competition number 1. The weather's coming this way. It's going to play into a little bit of a factor. Racing is coming up next. That's where Bigfoot excels.
Oh, absolutely. You know, this is just 1 of 3 plaques. We're going to try to get all 3 of them here.
Yeah, the rain's
There you
coming.
go. I'll let you get that back to the trailer.
Yeah,
We'll
rain's
look for
coming.
the coolest fan
It's
in
on
the
its way.
autograph
Here we go.
line after the show. If you want to get that plaque, you'll be looking for the coolest fan in the autograph line. After my show, you can walk home with the official event plaque.
First up will be Wicked. John Morris and Wicked. He drew the number 1 slot. Let's have to make an official pass. It will be a bye. He'll be all by himself. On the far lane, that's the back straightaway in the quarter mile, headed to the south. If you look down to the south end of the racetrack, you can see the white tractor tire down there with a red light. As soon as that thing turns green, he's going to go. What do you say we make some noise for the first round bye for Wicked and John Morris? Keep your eyeballs on that red light. No stage, no pre-stage. It's just going to turn for John Morris. Make the trip around. Have to get down and try to get his foot straight. Oh, bicycles to the cross. Start finish line. That is a big old run for John Morris in Wicked. Monster truck pilot out of Salt Lake. That fourth raptor of Kamikaze. Set up in the far lane. In the near lane is Dragon Slayer. Make your pick, ladies and gentlemen. Nudge your neighbor. Make a friendly wager. Maybe make some noise. The first side-by-side race here at Kern County Raceway. Round number 1. All-Star Monster Trucks. Red light is flashing. Now it's down. Around the obstacle. It's Dragon Slayer moving on to round number 2. He will face John Morris in Wicked. Hammer down. A very tight line. Was that? Chuck made the call. Chuck Lowley, you were spot on. Bigfoot got around that corner in a hurry.
Those drivers
Get in the near lane, Dragon Slayer in the far lane. Keep your eyeballs on that red light. Here we go! From John Morrison, can he make the turn? Bicycle into the Ravens Trophy victory lane. And that's where their focus is. As soon as it turns green. Kamikaze with a great reaction time. A flawless run there, Chuck. That was nearly unbeatable. You know what is going on here, ladies and gentlemen? They are going nose to nose, and they are doing the stare down. Who's it gonna be? The finals of the side-by-side monster truck racing.
Where's Check out how Bigfoot's starting on the Source and Wicked, your final round of your side-by-side monster truck racing.
Red light is on. You see those huge tires in the asphalt. Another turn by he is going to win the side-by-side monster truck racing. Take the lead in the overall points. Get a little moisture on that asphalt, Chuck. We can get some cyclones going down in here.
There you go, you hit the Cyclone Donuts, a little teaser, a little appetizer for Monster Truck Freestyle competition, yeah?
Oh, absolutely. You know, you gotta have a little bit of fun after racing. A little teaser freestyle. We're gonna take a little break and do some skid car racing. Then we're gonna take off and do what you guys all came here for. That's freestyle, where everything's fair game. We got a week till next show. It's time to run these things into the ground.
You guys will be signing absolutely free autographs at the merchandise stand in the breezeway. You're looking for some cool guys, some cool fans with some checker flags, some cool gear. You want to give that away.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, we're looking for a while some great things fans, and you'll make sure somebody goes home with this thing at the end of the night.
There you go. Make
No rules, no time limits. They work off of you. Sugar flags in Checker flags in the air. Where do you want it? Go right for it now. To the air. Slick condition now. Going for the big air jump. This one's going to launch him straight up in the air. Make some noise for Michael Christensen! Oh boy, the first one to go! Destroyed! Wheelie there, crushing some cars, and he's not done yet, Monster Truck fans! You gotta hit that along. Should have cleared that gap. As I look down to the north end of the racetrack, I gotta find myself a new place to sleep. Nice air, right in front of you. And here we go. set himself up perfectly for a beautiful slap wheelie to go right in front of the crowd and just missed it. But to the RV he goes. Pretty good and a nice sweep coming off of that.
Keep it going.
That is broken Bigfoot.
Rear front. Go ahead, Chuck.
No, it is broken in the rear. He's going to park it, so make some noise. That'll do it from Mike Miller and Bigfoot.
27-year veteran. To the Dragon Slayer, he's wasted no time. Big and hammered down to the north end of the racetrack. You got to do, Monster Truck fans, it's very simple. Get those checkered flags out. If you want them big air, you got to get them up in the air. Woo! The other factor is to make some noise. The final freestyle truck, ladies and gentlemen, Kamikaze and Paul Jensen on the track now. Thundering down the front straightaway, and now we'll go down trackside.
All right, guys, check out the logos. There she is. Yeah, look at that. If you guys are interested in logos like these, guys, my dad's name's linked down in the description down below. And also, if you guys are interested in buying a logo from him, his Instagram name will be down there, and he'll be charging you guys money, so it depends. Message him if you guys are interested in a logo like this. All right, guys? All right, guys, I'm with Mike, the Bigfoot driver. So, Mike, how does it feel to win your skill competition and the racing competition?
No, it was great, man. You know, we were trying to go for all three. Got a little aggressive there in freestyle, broke the truck. You know, wasn't able to do the clean sweep, but you know, we'll take 2 out of 3.
Yeah, hey, but if it was the World Monster Jam, you would have been the City Tour champion. That's what's going to happen if it was Monster Jam. All right, man, congrats on your win.
All right, thank you.
Standing right here with Wicked John. John, first of all, man, well, didn't expect that you were going to be losing, man. We could have won, man. Could have, man. You came close. Could have tried it, but you didn't. How does it feel even now after your performance?
That feels pretty good, man. I got one of the finals with Foot here, and he got me on the corner. He's got a nice, strong truck, but maybe we'll get it next time.
Hey, maybe next time. Next time's always next time. Hey, but no matter what, if you know you didn't win or not, you still won in my books, man. You're the greatest.
Woohoo! Thanks.
Yeah. Standing right here with Craig Christensen. So, Craig, first of all, man, could have made it, but, well, looks like Bigfoot took the 2 wins, but at least one of your team got it, man, like you said on my early interview. So, how does it feel now, man?
That's good. We're working on a new fuel system, so we're still trying to iron it out. So give us a couple more weeks, we'll get it figured out. We'll come back bigger and stronger. You don't keep advancing if you just stay idle. So you're always trying something new.
Hey guys, all I can tell you this to all the monster truck independents out there: watch out for Craig Christensen because he's coming after you. Are you, man? Hey, that's what I'm talking about, man. You did good out there, man. Standing right here with Mike. Mike, first of all, man, could have done it, man, but fortunately I was disappointed that they didn't give you an opportunity for the racing, only that one race. Very disappointed, but at the same time, you know, it is what it is, but at least you got that freestyle thing. At least you got that freestyle, you rock it out, but even though you didn't win, but you still destroyed the RV. Reminds me back in the good old days. How does it feel?
Yeah, I mean, it was pretty cool. Yeah, I've hit a couple RVs in the past, so same old thing, just going out there, having fun, put on a good show, and hopefully everybody enjoyed it.
Hey, there you go. Maybe next time, man, you're gonna put that bounty like your dad did, like I mentioned to your dad?
Absolutely. It's what you know, kind of came from the family. It's in our blood, so keep the tradition going.
Hey, watch out for the sheriff. There's a new sheriff coming at you. All right, man. Thank you. Standing right here with Paul. First of all, Paul, what a freestyle, man. And also, man, I love the zoomies. Brings me back happy and sad memories because, you know, all that stuff. But it's all good, man. I'm not going to get to that. But what a freestyle win, man. How does it feel?
And it feels great to come out here and redeem myself a little bit. Lost in racing, lost in the best trick contest. So I thought, well, there's only one thing left. So we're gonna come out and lay it on the line. And luckily, I got lucky. My truck stayed together, and we put it to the floor. So
yeah, next time keep your truck healthy, man. That's what you want. You want to keep 100%. Till next time.
Right. Yes,
hey, man, congrats. All right, guys, hold on. I'm not done yet. I want to give a shout out to this guy. Yeah, him.
LBTV Tommy.
Yeah, LBT. I used to look up to his videos and his World Finals 14. I still remember a long time ago when him and his other buddy, I forgot what's his name.
Jeffrey.
Yeah, Jeffrey. I seen how you guys have been doing the commentating behind. So my question is this: How do you think about the show, man? You think it was great, or did it need a little bit more?
Today, no, I thought, you know, for the first time ever here at Kern, this is a racetrack. This is a NASCAR facility, so they're not used to monster trucks. They usually never see anything like it. Never have they ever put dirt on this infield that I've ever seen here. And I thought for the first time it was great. Great drivers, they all put it all out there. I think they all went 100%. And the crowd seemed to enjoy it. I think, you know, this could be a tradition here.
Yeah, this is like old school, man. Guys, please give him the love that he deserves. His name is down, this link is down in the description down below. And give him all the love that you guys deserve. And also, this is Racetrack 3179, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I'll talk to you guys later.
Yeah.